In this episode, we will write some short I words with blends. The letter I has many sounds, but the short I sound makes the sound I, as in inch. Here's how we're going to do this. Listen for the word, pause the video, write the word, then unpause the video to check your answer. Write the word snip. Check your answer. Now change snip to skip. Check your answer. Now change the P to an N. What word do you have now? You're right. You have skin. Now change skin to skim. Check your answer. Now change the M to a D. What word do you have now? You're right. You have skid. Now change skid to kid. Check your answer. Finally, change the K to an L. What word do you have now? You're right. You have lid. Good job. You were able to write and read short I words. I hope you like this word ladder. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons.